Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore Chapter 22, Nationalist Response in the Wake of World War II. From Spectrum, let's dive in. Discuss the factors leading to internal crises within the Congress in the late 1930s. Answer. Gandhi's concerns. Gandhi noted rising corruption and indiscipline, stressing on organizational reforms before resuming the freedom struggle. Ideological differences. Sharp ideological differences emerged within Congress, especially between Gandhi and Subhash Bose, regarding the method and intensity of the freedom struggle. Subhash Bose's radical approach. Bose, advocating for immediate and complete independence, opposed Gandhi's strategies, leading to internal rifts. Q2. Analyze the impact of Subhash Bose's ideologies and actions on the Congress and Indian independence movement. Answer. Aggressive stance for independence. Bose's insistence on complete independence contrasted with Gandhi's gradual approach. Presidency of Congress and formation of Forward Bloc. Bose's election as Congress President in 1938 and his subsequent formation of the Forward Bloc marked significant ideological splits. Influence on youth and labor movements. Bose actively involved youth and labor sectors, contributing to a more radicalized segment within the Indian independence movement. Elucidate Gandhi and Bose's differing ideologies and methods in the struggle for Indian independence. Answer. Non-violence versus militant approach. Gandhi's commitment to non-violence, ahimsa, and satyagraha stood in contrast to Bose's belief in direct action and potential use of violence. Vision of freedom. Gandhi envisioned freedom through self-rule and moral superiority, while Bose sought immediate, complete independence, using any means necessary. Means and ends philosophy. Gandhi believed in ethical means leading to righteous ends, whereas Bose was more pragmatic, focusing on the end result. Examine the political developments in India during World War II and their impact on the nationalist movement. Answer. Cripps Mission of 1942. The mission proposed an Indian Union with Dominion status and a constituent assembly after the war, which was rejected by Indian leaders. August Offer, 1940, proposed Dominion status and expansion of the Viceroy's Council, but was insufficient for Indian aspirations. Individual Satyagraha, 1940-41, initiated by Gandhi, it was a limited, non-violent protest against British rule, emphasizing freedom of speech against war participation. Assess the significance of the Lahore Session of the Congress and the Pakistan Resolution in shaping India's future. Answer. Lahore Session, 1939, Congress declared complete independence as its goal, moving beyond previous demands for Dominion status. Pakistan Resolution, 1940, the Muslim League's demand for independent Muslim majority states, laid the foundation for the eventual partition of India and Pakistan. Discuss how Gandhi's designation of Nehru as his successor influenced the direction of the nationalist movement. Answer. Inclusivity and modernity. Nehru's modern, inclusive vision contrasted with other potential successors, ensuring the continuity of a unified, secular approach in the freedom struggle. Emphasis on democratic values. Nehru's commitment to democracy and secularism aligned with Gandhi's vision, despite differences in their views on industrialization and modernity. UPSC Prelims MCQs. Who was the first to offer individual satyagraha in 1940? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Vinoba Bhave. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. C. Vinoba Bhave. The concept of Samyavada, proposed by Subhash Bose, was a synthesis of which ideologies? A. Socialism and democracy. B. Socialism and fascism. C. Communism and capitalism. D. Democracy and monarchy. Answer. B. Socialism and fascism. Gandhi's vision of an ideal state, as outlined in Hind Swaraj, does not require which of the following? A. A representative government. B. An army. C. A police force. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. What was the main reason for the failure of the Cripps Mission? A. It offered complete independence. B. It did not offer a clear plan for immediate transfer of power. C. It proposed a unified Indian Union. D. It supported the Muslim League's demand for Pakistan. Answer. B. It did not offer a clear plan for immediate transfer of power. The August Offer of 1940 proposed the expansion of which body to have a majority of Indians? A. Indian National Congress. B. Viceroy's Executive Council. C. Constituent Assembly. D. British Parliament. Answer. B. Viceroy's Executive Council. In which year did Bose form the Forward Bloc as a faction within the Congress? A. 1938. B. 1939. C. 1940. D. 1941. Answer. B. 1939. Gandhi's Nai Talim scheme emphasized on which kind of education? A. Religious and spiritual education. B. Western-style academic education. C. Vocational and craft-based education. D. Military and strategic education. Answer. C. Vocational and craft-based education. The Delhi Chalo movement was associated with which of the following campaigns? A. Quit India movement. B. Individual Satyagraha. C. Non-cooperation movement. D. Civil disobedience movement. Answer. B. Individual Satyagraha. During the Second World War, which of the following countries did Subhash Chandra Bose not seek assistance from for India's independence struggle? A. Nazi Germany. B. Fascist Italy. C. Imperial Japan. D. Soviet Union. Answer. D. Soviet Union. The Lahore Session of Congress in 1939 is significant for which of the following reasons? A. It passed the resolution for Purna Swaraj. B. It led to the formation of the Forward Bloc. C. It witnessed the election of Subhash Chandra Bose as president. D. It marked Gandhi's resignation from the Congress. Answer. C. It witnessed the election of Subhash Chandra Bose as president. In Gandhi's model of a stateless society, the basic unit of governance would be the A. Municipality. B. Panchayat. C. State legislature. D. District council. Answer. B. Panchayat. Who chaired the separate planning commission for women set up by Subhash Bose during his presidency in the Congress? A. Aruna Asaf Ali. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rani Lakshmi Bhai Rajawade. D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Answer. C. Rani Lakshmi Bhai Rajawade. What was the main criticism of the Muslim League towards the Cripps Mission proposal? A. It proposed dominion status instead of complete independence. B. It supported a single Indian Union. C. It failed to address the socio-economic issues. D. It included representation of the princely states. Answer. B. It supported a single Indian Union. Which of the following was a key reason for Gandhi's opposition to immediate mass satyagraha during World War II? A. Lack of international support. B. Fear of British retaliation. C. Lack of Hindu-Muslim unity. D. Opposition from the Muslim League. Answer. C. Lack of Hindu-Muslim unity. The ideological differences between Gandhi and Bose highlighted in the chapter suggest which of the following about the nature of the Indian independence movement? A. It was solely based on non-violent principles. B. It encompassed a range of strategies from non-violence to militant action. C. It was predominantly militant and aggressive in nature. D. It lacked clear leadership and direction. Answer. B. It encompassed a range of strategies from non-violence to militant action. The failure of the Cripps Mission can be attributed to which underlying reason as indicated in the chapter? A. The British government's lack of interest in Indian affairs. B. The inflexibility of Indian leaders. C. Inadequate understanding of Indian aspirations by the British. D. The impact of international pressure on British policies. Answer. C. Inadequate understanding of Indian aspirations by the British. Gandhi's approach to resist the British during World War II, as mentioned in the chapter, was primarily influenced by A. His desire to support the Allied forces against Axis powers. B. His aim to utilize the war situation to gain immediate independence. C. The internal divisions within the Congress. D. The need to maintain non-violent principles while opposing colonial rule. Answer. D. The need to maintain non-violent principles while opposing colonial rule. The Lahore Session's decision for the Congress to demand Purna Swaraj, complete independence, can be seen as a result of A. The successful implementation of the civil disobedience movement. B. Rising radical sentiments within the Congress. C. The influence of Subhash Bose's leadership. D. The failure of negotiations with the British government. Answer. D. The failure of negotiations with the British government. The formation of the Forward Bloc by Subhash Bose signifies which aspect of the Congress party at that time? A. The dominance of radical ideologies. B. Unity and homogeneity in its ranks. C. The emergence of diverse political thoughts. D. The weakening of Congress as a political force. Answer: C. The emergence of diverse political thoughts. Gandhi's insistence on a constituent assembly after the war, as per the chapter, reflects his belief in A. Immediate political gains. B. The importance of an inclusive and deliberative process for nation building. C. Creating a power vacuum post-war. D. Aligning with British policies for a gradual transfer of power. Answer: B. The importance of an inclusive and deliberative process for nation building. Thanks for watching.